Hey folks, so today I want to talk to you about double wire feeders and why you may want to have one. First off, it's going to speed things way up. You've got two wires, therefore you can put down double the material at the same time, so you're definitely going to double up your speed. The second reason is your welds are going to be much better. Because you have more material putting down, and it's spread out better, you're going to be able to control your temperature going into the material as well, much quicker and better, reducing your warpage and resulting in really a cleaner weld. Finally, you can do way more with it. So you can either run two of the same wire, or you can run two separate wires. That way you can do quicker changeovers. So typically I'll keep an aluminum wire and a stainless wire in that because that's what I use the most of the time. And then that way it's just a matter of changing the setting on the screen, switching over your material on this display, and you're done. You're working with the other material. So for any shops that are working in multiple materials on a daily basis, this might be a really good option for you. Or alternatively, if you have bigger gaps, bigger fill, then you may want to do two of the same wire. You can put them both down at the same time and it'll be much quicker for you. Whenever you want to switch it over, like I said, it's super simple. There's feed selector here. There's A and a B. A is the top wire, B is the lower wire, and then, or you can do A and B at the same time. Simple as that. It's done, ready to go. Okay, so like I said, this is the inside of it. I'm running stainless on top, and then right now I've got a mild steel in the bottom, but like I said, you can run the same or different. It's up to you.